Okay, this is the last one. This might overlap a little bit. So that means my measuring was just off a little bit. But it should be okay when I put the piece over the top of it. Okay, so what I'll do is just cut this in a little more. Some shortening. There's a little shortening on the cake, but I'm going to get some on here. You know what I can do is actually move these over. So wow, it works out actually that they're pretty much all the way around the cake then. No spacing. Good to know. See that? So let me move this one the opposite way. And I'm up a little high here, so I need to pull it back, get it back down there, flip it up. So I'm just moving these others over just a tiny bit. Actually, this one can go a little more. Open that up, slide this down. What I like to use a lot is a cake divider wheel. It kind of divides it for you. Then it can be perfect. Okay, get that in there. Get in there. This one's up a little high now. See that pink? Lower it. Bring it down, bring it down. Okay, all right, so now we're gonna go back to black and we're gonna use a different mat. So let me get rid of this one. I'm gonna use one of the Autumn Carpenter one that's in her floral set. That's a really good set, by the way. And here we go. So I'm gonna use this and then this cutter also. So this would be more of the front part of the shoe that I want to kind of recreate here. See if there's like lines and patchiness right there, right there. That means I didn't need my fondant enough. Bad girl, bad. I see that a lot actually with students, so you need to make sure that you knead it up. If you see any of that, it's not the fondant, it's actually you need to knead it up more. Okay, so I'm going to put the texture mat on top, and this one I'm going to slide across a few times and then kind of peel it off. That makes a really pretty, looks like a leather pattern on a boot, don't you think? And then I am going to take this cutter here, and I'm just trying to see if there's like a design that works, you know, best or kind of in this area. So what you might want to do is just kind of see if there's a pattern you like and use that. So if I use that one, I could probably get another one out of here. Okay, now I'm not sure if I can use one in each spot. I want to see how tall this is going to be. So basically I'd put it back to the front here. Here, like it's the front part of the boot. Do I want to go all the way like that or down a bit? I think down a bit. I'm going to cut it right where this line is right here. Okay, then this I think I'll put a little water on the back. Okay, cool like that. And then I was going to add one of Ruth's little stars right here in the middle. Ta-da! So I'm just going to repeat that on all the others. So again, it was right about here. Cut, lift it up, little water, and attach. Ta-da!